16022.
Thank you, sir. Oh, just one per capita, okay? Try to behave yourselves.
Yeah,
Stay
yeah.
together.
All these are just these two.
These are 4.
Okay, it says Palmer.
Yep.
And
It's
3
Eric.
people?
Yep, Eric, Stephanie, and Zoe.
That's right, okay. Just on your shirt, just identifies you as a VIP,
Okay.
and you can go up this escalator.
Now I'll be on a scooter when I come back. So which way should I go?
That elevator, that blue tower, that's the
Okay.
elevator.
Okay. So that would be Yacht Club. Check in there. Alrighty. Thank you.
My brother, happy Father's Day too.
You too. Thank you.
Appreciate you.
All right now. So now, let's see how we can do this with parking.
Yeah, hurry up for a whole line of people start crossing that walkway.
Yeah.
Where is the parking?
Over here.
Oh, that's it right there.
Yeah. The question is how to get over there. Probably have to go out and come back in.
Is that the tent we go to get in? Or where?
No. I told her I'll be on the scooter, so she said to come back and hit the elevator. Wow, look at the line. Wow, yeah, gotta go down and turn around and come back. So this kind of sucks if you got a lot of luggage and who's going to be carrying all that luggage to the tent from parking, especially when you got a mobility scooter.
Yeah, because the last time you could pull right up to the tent and drop the luggage off. That's kind of inconvenient.
Seriously inconvenient. They need to have a Yacht Club tent inside parking. But we don't know if they do or not. We haven't been in there yet. But I don't think they do. Yeah, are there any convenient handicap spots
All
anywhere?
levels of the garage closest to the elevators.
All righty,
Okay?
thank you.
Right in at number 10.
All right, thank you.
Is this one going in the garage?
All of them should be going in the garage. But there's like 2 garages. I think people get parking tickets. Don't give up. Don't give up. I wanna be inside us.
All the ports are different, aren't they?
Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Look like people are paying. What's that for? I don't think so. Inside out.
Your back pockets don't sit.
Yeah, but my wallet is too thick to.
Oh, just sitting there.
I mean, I'll put it in there when I get out, but yeah, it hurts my buttocks. Ain't got no cushion. Got no cushion on my buttocks. What you see? We're going and on and on. I wanna be inside out, oh darling. People know where they're going. I know where again. Actually, if I was a Florida disabled veteran, parking would be free. How you doing today?
How we doing?
All
MSC,
right. Yep.
It's going to be 107 even.
Alrighty.
Do you have any bags you'd like to check in today?
I've already went around
Already
and checked
did
them
it.
in Yacht Club. Is there Yacht Club tent inside
Not
the garage?
inside, no. So that was probably the best way to do that. So in that case, since you've already dropped off, once you get through this first garage in the middle, you can turn left and park in either garage.
Alrighty, sounds good. Thank you. Let's go all the way over to the other garage. Which one? Oh, the max height. Sometimes they may bring buses or something, or motorhome. Well, buses probably, but no. That's a good question.
Yeah, that's pretty tough.
Who let people stay? Handicap there.
That's the capper entrance.
Oh, capper entrance over there too. Geechee. See disabled veteran there. I'm gonna take that in free. If you're looking for cleaner parking. Oh, we're going up and up and up.
Hurry up, because you're not even supposed to be coming this way. Oh, we gotta go.
Right, there's two-way traffic.
Just go up, because you just let like 3 cars go ahead of you. There's any spots up there, there you go. That little bitty car, you couldn't cut it and get up in that spot.
Yeah, just go right. I got a scooter. And there we go. So, look how far.
Slow down, baby. Slow down.
Man, I got it up good.
But you're going too fast. You see them kids standing out there?
Yeah, all right.
You look, I'm parked right between 2 cars.
Okay, man. since I'm not parked in a handicap spot, I'm gonna take my placard. All right, give me a minute. Let me get my.